Okay, yeah, I'm gonna do a demonstration video today to show you how to add blog posts to the Yaloha site because I went ahead and redesigned the blog content type because you said you wanted a better looking blog or aesthetically you wanted to improve the way the blogs looked after you published it. So to do that, let's first click on content and then add content and then go to blog entry. Now this one right here says bad blog because that's the old one, so you don't want to use this one anymore, but you want to go ahead and use the one that says blog entry. So click on that. Let's give our blog a title, and then let's browse for an image, the featured image. Now the thing with this featured image is that it has to be at least 697 pixels in width and at least 450 pixels in height. If it's smaller than that, the system will reject it. And just to show you what I mean, first I'm going to try to upload an image that's smaller than this dimension and see what happens. So let's click on browse, then click on desktop, and I'm going to pick the smaller one first. Open. And then I'm going to try to upload it. And then you see the specified image could not be uploaded. The image is too small. The minimum dimensions are 697 to 450. The reason why I did that is because I want all the images to be the same size. That's going to show up at the top of the text for the blog so that they'll all be consistent. So let's go ahead and browse for another image. And this time I'll pick the bigger one. This will be bigger than the specified dimensions right here. And let's try to upload that. So see, and I went ahead and took it, no problem. Okay, there's a new field here. It's called short description, and this short description is, let me give you a sample. This short description is what's going to show up right here. So this is the short description. It shows up right next to the thumbnail view of the featured image in the blog list page. Okay, so let's, from the body text of my blog, I'm going to type in my short description, and the short description is only 255 characters. Anything after that will be cut off, and the reason for that is so that all the blog thumbnail views would all look to have the same consistent look, with 255 characters of the body showing here. And then to read the rest of it, obviously you'd have to click on read more, or you could click on the image, or you could click on the title. They all take you to the same place. So I click on read more, and then I would see the image, which would take up the full width right here, 697 pixels, and then the text would be right underneath it. So now let's go back to the blog page again and look another post. And now you see there's a consistent look throughout all the blogs. They all have the image, the featured image at the top, which we're forcing them to be 697 pixels in width at least across, so that they all look the same. And then you would have your text right underneath, the body text. So let's look at one more just to be sure that it's working. So I'm going to click on this one, and you notice that all the blogs now are going to have the image at the top and then all the text right underneath. Okay, alright, so let's continue on with our example. So that's what the short description is for. So it's basically an excerpt from the body of the blog. and it always cuts off at 255 characters. So if you're mid-word, then all I do is go back and then just put dots after the last completed word. Okay, and then here I would type in the main body of my blog, and I would have to make sure that this is on full HTML. Okay, and then just paste in my text, and then I only have to hit enter once, and then the next paragraph, and then enter once, and then the next paragraph. So before you had to enter twice, but now it's made so that you only have to enter once, and it would put in the paragraph breaks. But you would have to make sure it's on full HTML right here. Okay, and now I can go down. Just gonna make this Yaloha. I've already sent you an email about creating a new user called Yaloha, so that when you make a post, all the posts look like they were posted by Yaloha instead of site admin, which I think looks bad. So if now all of them say Yaloha, then it's a little bit better. For instance, like all the old posts here say site admin. So now going forward, if you log in with the Yaloha user, which I've already emailed you about, then they will all look like they were posted by Yaloha. Okay. So since I'm logged in as the admin, I have to basically change this to Yaloha. But if you were logged in as Yaloha, you wouldn't have to do that. It would automatically do it for you. Okay. And then I just click on save. And then I can see that my story got posted. You noticed that the image is always going to be 697 across, as long as the image is not below 697 that you upload. And then your text. And the paragraphs are skipping just by entering once. Okay, let's go to the blog main page. And now you can see that there's a consistent look for all the blog posts that are being made on the site. Okay, if you have any more questions about this, you can always give me a call or you can email me. Alright, thanks.